Yeah, hello all my friends, this is Soros. Recently the EU customer asked us the exhaust wall body so they have any questions. Does the quality is good or not? Look at this one. It is very nice. This diameter is about 4 and there has a nut. You could also adjust the pressure of the wall body, and importantly, this is a spring inside. Some customer will see that the quality is better. Actually, I feel this wall is 100% test in the racing performance line in Australia, and I feel another steel is also stable quality level in some market like the EU, USA, no problem. And for the pressure, yes, no problem. This one is a little expensive. You could adjust the pressure of the wall body right here. Look at this one, and the spring inside. No problem. 2 nut, 1, 2. Okay, let's test it. Electronic body, and no problem. You could also control it when you driving the car. Important difference is here, the spring inside. Check it, this one. Spring inside. No leak of gas, no problem. Okay, bye bye.